Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the display size on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Now, if you want to change the display size on your iPhone, just open Settings, then tap on Display and Brightness. Now, at the bottom of the page, you will find the option of Display Zoom. Just tap on it. Now, by default, it is on the default option, but you also have the option of larger text. Now, if you select larger text, then tap on Done and select Use Zoomed. And by enabling this option, you will zoom into the screen. And every text and every icon will be a bit larger. Just like that. Now, if you want to go back to the default option, in the settings, just go to Display and Brightness and tap on Display Zoom. Now, instead of larger text, just select Default. Then tap on Done. Now just select Use Standard. And by doing that, you will go back to the default state, which is the default option. And this is how you can change the display size on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.